Good morning, everyone. I'm Muskan, and it's my honor to stand before you today to speak on a cause that troubles every one of us to save our environment from pollution. For this, we have a very special guest with us, Mr. Deepak, whom with we are going to conduct a knowledgeable podcast. Now, I would like to invite Anchor Ravina and Anchor Aarti, who are going to continue this podcast.
Welcome to the special episode of DPS Balotra's podcast. I am your host Ravina Rajpurohit. Joining me today is my co-host Aarti Rathi. We both are truly honored to have our special guest, RO of Pollution Board, Mr. Deepak Kumar.
Thank you, Ravina and Aarti, for your warm welcome to your institute. DPS is as we all know, it's a renowned institute, and it's my own. I'm feeling very good to be here and organizing some programs in your school.
Sir, was this always your dream, or your career path has taken some unexpected turns?
Yeah, it's right from the beginning was that my father was also from the engineering background, so he also want me to become an engineer. So I opt for some special things related to the upcoming challenges on this earth, mainly related to pollution. So I opt for my basic degree in engineering related to civil and biotechnology engineering, then followed by my masters in environmental engineering from Malviya National Institute of Technology. So at that time itself I decided to be a part for combating environmental pollution.
For those who are unfamiliar, what does a RO do on day-to-day basis?
It's a challenging job profile in today's era because RO have some more responsibilities related to the problems of environment in his districts. As a regional officer, he has more than one district. Particularly in RO Balotra, I am having two districts, that is Balotra as well as Badmer. So we are getting more challenges related to complaints of water and air pollution here in Balotra. So it's very challenging.
Sir, we are eager to know about the drive environment which you have recently started in Balotra.
We have started the drives for awareness of the people of Balotra because it's more related to western part of the Rajasthan, and people are not so more aware about environmental pollution and all that. So we started our drive for making linkage between industrialists and our department. We started the drive from a cricket tournament. We started that in the last month. We went through this tournament with 14 teams of cricket, and with a message to combat environmental pollution, we made them aware, and people of Balotra took oath to combat water pollution in Balotra. Followed by several other events. The last night yesterday, we underwent two activities like quiz competition with the industrialists of Balotra, followed by musical night. Musical night having more main focus on environmental pollution.
That sounds nice.
If you had to give a piece of advice to young aspirants, what it would be?
My advice to all of my aspirants and the children that the global warming is increasing day by day. So on your every special day, you should raise a sapling. Not only raise the sapling, you should grow it carefully on each and every of special days of yours for controlling global warming and to control that. You know, the main problem is the single-use plastic. So we should not use single-use plastic. We should use recyclable and other substitutes for plastics. Thank you.
And that brings us to the end of this enlightening conversation. I would like to thank you to sir to tell us insights and such a valuable things to us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
As we come to the end of this special gathering, I want to say a special thank you to each and every one of us. Thank you for making this special podcast possible. Thank you for talking about the changes, like to care, to listen, and most importantly to act. I want to say a special thank you to Mr. Deepak for making this podcast possible. I am Muskan signing off from DPS Prime Time. See you next time with more amazing podcasts from our campus.